I am going to talk with you one of the best principles, which name is the principle of uncertainty. In this principle, we are going to discuss a very beautiful things. If you know about that, it would become a revolutionize the whole world. It means it does not change the science of the mind, but also change the shape of human being. If I in general I will told you, quantum mechanics, the uncertainty principles is also known as Heisenberg uncertainty principles. In a simple way, you cannot predict that. Those principles is called uncertainty principles. There is a fundamental limit to the accuracy with which the value of a certain pair of the physical quantities of a particle, such as position x and momentum p, can be predicted from initial conditions. Such a variable pairs are known as complementary variables or conically conjugate variables. And depending on the interpretations, the uncertainty principle limit to which what extent such a conjugate properties maintain their approximate meanings at the mathematical framework of the quantum physics and does not support the motions of simultaneously well-defined conjugate properties expressed by the single value. The uncertainty principles implies that it is in general not possible to predict the value of a quantity with arbitrary certainty, even all the initial conditions are specified. First introductions in 1927 by German physicist Heisenberg uncertainty. The uncertainty principle state that the more precisely the position of the some particle is determined, the less precisely its momentum can be predicted from initial condition and the vice versa. The formal inequalities related the standard deviation of position delta x and standard deviation momentum delta p was derived by the Jules Hessian Kennard, later by the year on the Hermann Weyl. Historically, the uncertainty principles confused with the related effect of the physics called observed effect, which note the measure of the certain systems and cannot made without the affecting the system. This is without a changing the sometime in a system. Heisenberg utilized such a observer affect the quantum level as a physical explanations of a quantum uncertainty. It is since become clear, however, that the uncertainty principle is inherent in the properties of all wave-like system, that it arises of quantum mechanics simply due to the matter wave nature of all quantum objects.